Hello everyone, welcome to Rosewood Mountain Academy. Hope you guys doing well. Today in this video we are going to discuss about countable and uncountable nouns. First of all, let me tell you, countable are the ones which we can count, like we can count banana, apple, oranges, we can count these. And if we talk about uncountable are the ones which we cannot count, like rice, wheat, flour. We cannot count these. So these are called as uncountable nouns. So let's compare both of them in brief. As you can see on the screen, a box has been made and it's written one side is countable and the other is uncountable. So the first it is written, I eat a banana every day. If I say or someone says, I eat a banana every day, so banana is a banana. We can count a banana, right? But if we say I eat rice every day, can you guys count rice? How much rice you eat? No, you cannot count. आप banana तो count कर सकते हो, एक खाया, दो खाया, तीन खाया, but you cannot count rice. आप ऐसे नहीं गिन सकते कि मैंने इतना rice खाया, one rice, two rice. You cannot count like this, right? So this is the difference between countables and uncountables. जो हम count कर सकते हैं वो countable, जो हम count नहीं कर सकते वो uncountable. Like it is written, I like bananas. So bananas means bananas. Banana is a countable noun. A countable noun can be singular, that is banana, or plural. जो countable noun होता है वो singular भी हो सकता है, plural भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. Countable nouns are things we can count. Countable noun वो thing होती है जो हम count कर सकते हैं. So we can say one banana, two bananas, etc. Right? As example is given on the screen, if you guys can see, there's a beach near here. Beach we can count. Anne was singing a song. A song. We are talking about a particular song, a single song. Songs we can count, right? Have you got a 10-pound note? Note we can count, right? It wasn't your fault, it was an accident. So this an accident we can count. We're talking about one. There are no batteries in the radio. Batteries we can count. We haven't got enough cups. Cups we can count. सो बेसिकली द थिंग वी कैन काउंट, जिन्हें हम गिन सकते हैं, ऐसी चीज़ें, ऐसे नाउन्स. नाउन सिंगुलर भी हो सकता है, प्लूरल भी हो सकता है. जो चीज़ हम काउंट कर सकते हैं दो दीज आर कॉल्ड एज काउंटेबल नाउन, और जो हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते उसको हम बोलते हैं अनकाउंटेबल. सो लेट्स सी अनकाउंटेबल वंस. लाइक राइस इज एन अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. हम राइस को काउंट नहीं कर सकते. An uncountable noun has only one form, that is rice. Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count. The things which we cannot count are known as uncountable nouns. We cannot say one rice, two rice, that's what I said. You cannot say, हम कभी भी ऐसा नहीं कह सकते कि one rice, two rice, three rice. We cannot say like this. So let's see the more examples of uncountable nouns. There's sand in the shoe. You cannot count sand, right? That is why it is called as a uncountable noun. Next, Anne was listening to some music. You cannot count some music. Now pay attention over here. You can count how many songs she is listening, but you cannot count a music, right? Some music, it's written over here. Have you got any money? Any money you cannot count. It wasn't your fault, it was bad luck. Luck, good luck or bad luck, whatever, you cannot count. There's no electricity in the house. Electricity, again, you cannot count. We haven't got enough water. Basically, guys, water, again, you cannot count. So now, the next says that you can use a and with singular countable nouns. Like how? Let's see. A beach, a student, an umbrella. Right? This is the way you can use. Like you cannot use singular countable nouns alone without a, the, my. जो भी हमारे सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन्स होते हैं उनको हम बिना ए, द और माई के बिना नहीं बोल सकते. ठीक है. लाइक आई वॉन्ट अ बनाना, I want a banana. Singular countable nouns I am talking about. And you cannot say I want banana. Right? There's been an accident. You cannot say there's been accident. No. Sentence wrong हो जाएगा. You can use plural countable nouns alone. Right? Now pay attention over here. You cannot use singular countable nouns alone, but you can use plural countable nouns alone. Like I like bananas. Accidents can be prevented. Right? So bananas is general. Hana. Now you cannot normally use a and with uncountable nouns. We cannot use a and with uncountable noun. We do not say a sand or a music, but you do can often use a of, like a bowl of rice. Like few minutes back I told you we cannot count rice, but we can say bowl of rice, a drop of water, a piece of music, है ना, a game of tennis. So you can use uncountable nouns alone without the, my or some. I eat rice every day, है ना. There's blood on your shirt. So this is what uncountable noun. You can hear music. Can you hear music? You can hear music. So music is what you cannot count. So you can use what basically I said, singular countable nouns cannot be used without a, the, my, but plurals can be used without. Now secondly, what I said, normally if we say a and with uncountable nouns, we do not say a sand, we say a bowl of rice, like a drop of water, है ना, like this we say. So now next C part, let's see. You can use some and any with the plural countable nouns. Now what are the plural countable nouns? Singulars are the ones, plurals is more than one. Okay? Like we sang some song, we can say we sang some songs. Did you buy any apple? Any apples? No. We use many and few with plural countable nouns. Now it is important to see, you have to notice this, that we use many and few with plural countable nouns, right? We did not take many photographs, right? I have a few jobs to do. A few. Pay attention. I'm using many and few here, right? On the other side, we can use some and any with uncountable nouns, right? We listen to some music. I'm talking about some music. It is uncountable, na? So we have to use some and any whenever we are talking about uncountable things. Did you buy any apple juice? Any, right? Again, juice is uncountable, so we are using any. We use much and little with uncountable nouns. Much and little. We did not do much shopping. Much shopping. Shopping you cannot count. How many times you are doing that you can count, but you cannot count shopping. So that is why we used much. And the last is, I have a little work to do. Work you cannot count. Working hours you can count, but work you cannot count. So a little work we are saying. So this was all about comparing countables and uncountable nouns. So something is left. We'll cover it in part 2. This is the part 1 of countable and uncountable nouns. So if any doubt, comment below. Don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and do subscribe the channel. Thank you guys for watching this.